Are you tired of the thyroid issue? Are you experiencing weight gain because of thyroid? Do you see your face full of pimples? Do you feel tired and lethargic throughout the day? Don't worry, you are not alone. A huge number of people are in this group. So is there a way out of this struggle? And the answer is yes. So what is thyroid? Thyroid is a gland, a small organ located in the front of the neck. It is shaped like a butterfly. We have glands throughout our body, which creates and releases substances that help our body to do a specific thing. When your thyroid doesn't work properly, it can affect your entire body. If your body makes too much thyroid hormone, you can develop a condition called hyperthyroidism. This is because of the overactive thyroid gland. Your gland produces excessive hormone. The person starts losing weight. The person becomes anxious and restless. Everything is rapid in the body. On the other side, if your body makes too little of the thyroid hormone, it's called hypothyroidism. This is because of the underactive thyroid gland. The person becomes slow in thinking, slow in working, feels depressed, and gets tired very easily. Everything goes slow and person put on weight. Out of these two, the hypothyroidism is the most common problem. Both of these conditions are serious and needs to be cured by you, not your doctor. Your doctor cannot help you if you don't want to help yourself. Yes, your doctor can help you to manage your thyroid condition, but cannot cure your thyroid condition if you want to manage it by medication. The treatment is very simple. Daily intake of the levothyroxine tablet. Millions of people worldwide taking levothyroxine regularly without any problem. So there is nothing wrong with that. But there are certain things we can do to overall boost our thyroid health rather than increasing or decreasing the hormone. This will help your body in long run and reduce your dependency on the medication. Number 1. Food to avoid and food to include in your diet. The main thing to improve your thyroid health is your diet. Consume more iodine-rich products like milk, cheese, yogurt. Consume more selenium-rich products like brown rice, Brazil nuts, walnuts, sunflower seeds, chia seeds, and flax seeds. Include coconut oil in your diet. Goitrogenic foods like cabbage, kale, cauliflower, spinach, peanuts, sweet potatoes, and soya products should be avoided from your diet. Avoid bananas from your diet. Avoid white sugar, white rice, and junk food. You should also avoid gluten from your diet. The molecular composition of thyroid tissue is very similar to gluten. So eating gluten can cause your body to attack your thyroid by mistake. This is called autoimmune attack. So these are the products to include and products to avoid from your diet. Now number 2. Some Ayurvedic remedies. Drink turmeric milk before you go to bed. Massage the thyroid gland every day on your neck with cold pressed walnut oil. Drink coriander seed water in the morning. Coriander seed water has been used for thousands of years to cure the thyroid problem. Just soak 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds in a warm water overnight. Strain the water and drink this water first thing in the morning, 30 minutes before you eat anything. Now, before the breakfast, drink 1 teaspoon of Indian gooseberry powder with water or honey. So these are 4 Ayurvedic remedies for a healthy thyroid. Number 3. Get proper sleep. The right amount of sleep and the right quality of sleep both matters. Lack of sleep causes hyperthyroid and too much sleep causes hypothyroid. The ideal sleep should be 7 to 8 hours in the night. Eat your food at least 3 hours before you go to bed. Wear some loose and comfortable clothes while sleeping. Avoid tea, coffee, chocolates, alcohol in the late evening because it creates restlessness of the nervous system. Until you feel sleepy, do not force yourself to sleep. Sometimes you feel anxious, thinking too much about family, work, or something else. Do not go to bed with all these worries and thoughts. If you cannot sleep after 20 or 30 minutes of lying in the bed, get up and start reading something. Avoid mobile phone, laptop, television, or any other screen time at least 1 hour before you go to bed. Instead, prepare yourself for the bed. Brush your teeth. Take warm bath. Write down some 10 positive things that happened in your day. Do some meditation and clear your mind. So remember these 3 things: proper diet, some natural remedies, and proper good night's sleep. Thyroid is a condition which can be overcome by some little lifestyle changes. Remember that happiness is the best medicine. That's it, my friends. Now the ball is in your court. Thank you for watching. I wish you a day full of joy and happiness. See you again.